This is Agrani Krishnadas from Tirtha Yatra, and at the present I am on the location of a wonderful site called as Jambuvanti Caves. This cave is the same place where Lord Krishna fought with Jambuvan for 27 days and 27 nights, and he reclaimed the Samantaka money from Jambuvan and took it back with him to Dwaraka. He also married Jambuvanti here. So it's a wonderful cave located here. A lot of good work has been done by devotees here, and this is an archaeological protected site. And I'm getting down in this cave. It has got its wonderful own ecosystem inside, and you can definitely imagine that no wonder how Jambuvan stayed so comfortably in this particular cave. And as you can see, there are some little steps to move inside this cave, and they have done a lot of work in first of all locating it and excavating it, and at the same time doing some minimal facilities to get inside. And there are just 20 steps here to get inside this cave. Just coming here, and this is the final steps. And wow, behold this wonderful cave where Jambavan would live. As you all know that Jambavan was the only devotee of the Lord who appeared in Ramayana as well as Mahabharata. And you can see in this cave there are small Shivalingams and lot of stalactites. This you can see water is dripping from top. That's very interesting feature here. And it is believed that because Samantaka Mani stayed here for 27 days continuously, the water and the mud in this area became very medicinal in properties. It's a very fine mud like soft sand, and devotees take this mud back home, soak it in the water overnight and drink that water. And we are with a group of 40 yatris from Tirtha Yatra who have joined our Panchadwaraka Yatra, and they are all relishing the wonderful environment of this cave. Let me just ask you, Rajana sir, something about this cave.
Oh, it's too wonder. I never expected that I'll come here and enjoy like this. It's
an
nothing but
adventure trip.
It's imaginary. You cannot imagine all those things. Oh, very super.
Sir, Aryan
Nicely,
sir.
nicely it is.
Whatever.
How it has been built, we don't know.
we don't
But we are enjoying in this as an adventure trip
Wow.
instead of this trip.
Whoever identified it and brought to and bringing us
Yeah.
we have great devotion and pranams to them.
Thank you so much for this wonderful feedbacks. Nirmala ma'am, what do you feel?
இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சில்லுன்னு இருக்க இடம் இது வரைக்கும் நான் பார்த்ததே இல்லை. ரொம்ப கூலாக இருக்குது, ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது. என்ஜாய்.
Nice.
Very good experience.
Amazing in this cave. So definitely devotees should come here and visit this place. And sir, how do you feel?
Thanks for your
Thank you.
This is very difficult also by the steps and all.
ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಈಗ ನಿಜವಾಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಿಜವಾಗ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Very interesting. So it's a very wonderful cave as you can see, and quite unknown to devotees. And this is the painting describing the Jambavati and Krishna Kalyana.
ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡೋದು
So this is I really don't have words to describe. If you are here in Dwaraka area and having darshan, please do come to this place and have darshan. and you will definitely enjoy. And join us on our Panchadwaraka Yatras in order to visit this wonderful, unforgettable place. And for booking, please visit www.tirthayatra.org or call us on 9844700850. Jai Dwarkadhi.